and Assalamualaikum. Today my team and I will be presenting our project on jigs and fixtures in manufacturing. We are excited to share what we have learned and designed. Let's begin with a brief introduction of our team. Our team consists of 6 members, which is AMIRAH binti KARNAIN, NURUL AQILAH binti AZMAN, Muhammad Adib HAIKAL bin AZMI, ALIF AIMAN bin MAZLAN, NORATIRAH binti ZAKARIA, and me, Umie Nabilah binti Muhammad Noor. Each of us has contributed significantly to this project in research, design and analysis. Okay, let's start with an introduction to jigs and fixtures. Jigs and fixtures are critical tools in manufacturing that ensure accuracy and repeatability during machining process. A jig is used to guide the cutting tool, ensuring precision whereas a fixture supports and holds the workpiece in place. These tools are designed to minimize human error, increase production speed, and ensure part consistency. They are widely used in operation like drilling, milling, turning and grinding. Okay, next, the main objective of our project are to understanding the fundamental concepts and function of jig and fixtures in manufacturing, to develop conceptual design for a jig and fixtures, to enhance our understanding of workpiece clamping, locating principle and tool guidance technique, and finally to gain hands-on experience solving real-world manufacturing challenge.
So I will be continuing to the locating method. Okay, so in this fixture, the locating method is based on 3-to-1 principle, which helps to position the workpiece accurately and consistently. First, the base plate provides support from the below. It holds the part flat and prevents from any movement in the vertical direction. This gives us the 3-point support, and the jig slot in the center is used to control the horizontal position. 2 sides of the slot restrict movement along the x-axis, and one end of the slot blocks the y-axis and prevents rotation. This setup locks all 6 degrees of freedom, meaning the part cannot move or shift during operation. Since the slot is sized to match the workpiece, it ensures precise and repeatable placement every time without adjustment. So in my slide, there is a picture with a label which is contact. So proceed to the next slide.
Initial design sketch. It consists of 20 items. The items are 8 nuts, 4 bolts, 4 shafts, 1 V block, 1 top plate, 1 bottom plate, and bushing.
So, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. So, my name is AIMAN. Today, right now, I will continue our presentation. So, the final two drawings. So, for the jig workpiece setup is the cylindrical part is placed on the V-shaped block, and then the side cylindrical pin ensure lateral positioning. So, for the clamping, is the top plate is just adjust downward using the threaded rods and nuts, which is ball and nut. Then the pressure from the top plate secure the workpiece vertically. So for the operation is the jig is now ready for inspection and drilling assembly for testing. So for the top plate we use material nylon. For the function is apply downward clamping force onto the workpiece. So for the features is matches the base plate in the size and hole alignment, move vertically and along the threaded rods. So for the V shape is we use material mild steel. So for the function is precisely hold cylindrical or round components in a stable and centered position, and then provides high rigidity and resistance to deformation under the clamping pressure. So for the placement for the V-shape is mounted centrally on the base plate. So lastly is the also base plate. We use nylon material. For the function it serves as the primary structural base of the jig. So for the features is it's flat, square profile with split drill hole for the threaded rods, and then support the V-shaped block and cylindrical pin.
Hi, my name is NORATIRAH, and next let me explain the bill of material for our jig design. So first we have the base jig and the top jig, both made by nylon, size 150 times 150 times 5 mm, and this part provide lightweight support and protect the workpiece. So in the middle we have the V block made by stainless steel, which is the function is to hold the cylindrical part firmly and preventing the rolling. As for the lock, we use lock pin with a 10 mm diameter, ensure side positioning and lateral stability during operation. And we also use M10 bolt and nut to secure all components together. So overall, this jig ensures stability, accuracy and repeatability, making it suitable for inspection, drilling and testing of cylindrical part. And on the slide, as you can see, this is the tooling breakdown table and the exploded view to help visualize the assembly. Thank you.
So for the assemble design this is our assemble design. Then so for the jig assembly overview is custom design is for jig for holding cylindrical parts during drilling and inspection assembly lah. Then made of nylon based on and on top plates connected by 4 thread rods for structure and alignment. So we block on the base cradle the workpiece and ensure axial alignment. So for the die locating pins provide lateral positioning, preventing horizontal movement. Then for the clamping mechanism is top plate apply vertical pressure using adjustable nuts on threaded ropes. Then for the vertical movement allows control clamping force without damaging the workpiece. Then matching holes on base and top plates ensure proper alignment. So for the visual detail views is isometric view, show the full 3D structure. And then for the top view, highlight hole, layout and locating pin. And then for the front and side views, show the V-blocks composition and the clamping tension. So our lastly is key features, which is designed for precision, repeatability and ease of use. So it is suitable for machining or quality control of cylindrical component.
For the conclusion, the sandwich jig we designed and constructed out of nylon and a minimal amount of metal has functioned well to securely hold the workpiece while machining or assembling. The nylon provides important benefits such as being lightweight, wear resistant, and non-marring contact to the workpiece, which can be important in working with a delicate or soft material. The metal components allow for structural quality and also the added clamping pressure needed to fulfill the jig functions effectively. Overall, the jig offers significant benefit to stationary workpiece positioning and reduction of movement and improvement of overall efficiency. In efficient for recommendation, adding anti-slip rubber or textured surfaces to contact areas will securely connect workpieces and provide additionally protection to fragile surfaces when drilling. Furthermore, for maximum operating benefits, little channels to remove debris from drilling processing could be adding underneath the jig. This little adjustment allows debris to be removed from the jig, keeping it from building up and causing inaccuracy or premature wear on components if chips get wedged together. Lastly, the nylon components should always be inspected and serviced if required to monitor for wear, deformation, or heat-related damage from extended periods of using at high-speed operation. And lastly, thank you so much for Sir Faiz for giving opportunity and time for our work. That's all of us. Thank you.